Hello everyone. As uh, as you know, I am Muntasir Dawlut, the developer, founder, whatever you want to call it, of Silks and Glory, the realistic horse racing game multiplayer. Uh, it's basically like a horse racing manager, but it would have much more to it later down the line. And if we get enough like funding or something like that, I would add the jockey mode for like multiplayer and all these kind of things. So mm, what I've been getting like in term of requests from you guys is like you want to see some inside of the game because I'm just typing like you're just seeing only words and no visual, and you want to see, yeah, I get you, you want to see some visual, and I totally get it. So let's dive in and let me show you what I've achieved so far with Unreal. And for the backend, when I say backend, I'm saying like nhost and Hashura and all these kind of things like Vercel that I've connected. For this, I can't show you because there are codes inside it, and I can't show you this. But for Unreal, I can show you. But I assure you that I have already worked on everything that I said, and I am just connecting everything right now and trying to make it beautiful and all these kind of things. So let's dive in the game and let me show you what I have achieved so far, so you can have an idea of what is going on. So just please don't mind the FPS because I am on a 1060 RTX 1060 laptop, and it's really outdated, and I'm getting a really low FPS on it. And also you'll see some printing screen, so don't mind it. It's just for debugging. Yeah, and these, you will see these horses are real horses. These are my horses that I have owned in real life, but I don't own them anymore because they have retired, some have retired and all this thing. And you see a yellow silk here. This is my own silk. I just wanted to introduce you this. Yeah, so like for now you have the sign in, and you can see the sign up where you will be able to sign up, and when you finish sign up you will have something like this. You will have a verification email sent to you, this email, and you will have when you press on the link, it will verify you here on the website, and then you will get a welcome message from um, Six and Glory from to your email. Yeah, and yeah, for this, and if you have not received the verification, you can just resend it, and you will basically get a new verification email, and there is forget password, where you will have a similar email, and then it will direct you to the website where you will change your password, and then you get back here, and you just enter your email. So I've just made a new account because I am not using my the ones that I'm testing it for. I've just created a new account for the game. Uh, just for me to show you from the very start, um, where what what is going to appear on your screen. Now I'm just putting my email, and then I put my password, and then press sign in. So right now, if you have already signed in and you have already done this, you won't have this because this is the first time play. Okay, this is an onboarding decision that you will have to make, and this will affect your game throughout the whole game basically, and you will get some benefits, and sometimes you will have some negative effect also. You can just continue, and you can just don't worry about my choices. I just like these choices, but for you it might be something else. Yeah, it's just like I like these choices. So don't worry about these choices. It does not matter. Well, yeah, when you arrive at this, you can just, if you are not satisfied with your legacy, you can just go back and then choose another one, or just continue. And then when you finish, you will enter the stable. Once you've enter, you will enter your stable here like this. And at first everything is damaged, and you will have to repair. So you will see renovate. I'll change it to repair maybe later, but right now it's just renovate. So you have stable complex, market where you will buy horses, your stable complex where all your horses would be, and you will make all decision, training, and all this kind of stuff. Or maybe I could add a training center, maybe, just maybe, but we don't know yet. I'm just doing the basic right now, and then for the other buildings I will add later if needed. It will, I just want it to be like a whole community. Like, you would have people walking around, basically small people walking around doing all these kind of things. Horses parading around the market auction, people sitting in the race lounge, watching race live, and all these kind of things. You will have shops. This is your store where you buy feeds, item, and all these kind. It's like basically a store. And here you will be able to see the race calendar, provisional entries, final cut, watching race that are being live, or races that has already run but you want to watch it again. You will be able to bet here also. Yeah, basically this. And then breeding center, don't mind the center. I'll just have to fix it. It will open at level 10 of maybe level 10. Yeah, I've put it level 10, but maybe I'll just lower it a little bit down. Yeah, this is where you will breed your future champions. Yeah, and right now, if I just renovate, it is free, by the way, to repair at first. Okay, and then it will appear as yeah, it will be, the mesh will change. Um, you see the printed screen here, and then you can just upgrade again. Yeah, no, you won't be able to upgrade right away, because you will have to earn some reputation XP to be able to unlock the next upgrade. And Yeah, that would be it for one more thing. When you start, you will start with 5 million racing cash, 100 premium coin, and then you won't have any horses. You will just have to repair the available buildings that need to be repaired, or you can just repair the stable complex in the market, and then once you repair it, you'll just uh, you will be able to buy maximum of 2 horses at first, because I want it to be like this, and then um, once you've got these 2 horses, there will be a maximum of 40 horses, but you will need to upgrade the stable complex to the maximum level to have this. For now, if I press enter, it will just go inside the stable. You just go inside the stable here. You will see that I have this horse. It is a pretty realistic horse that I need to update it anyway, because the saddle is not fit for jockey right now. There is some fixes that I would have to do. Yeah, and basically when you open it, you will have the horse's stats that would be here, and you will have the button of entries, race card, and all these kind of sell horses, options a horse, and all these kind of things that you might find in as an option inside for this table. And then you will have a previous button, and a next button maybe will be here or somewhere like this. I'll see where I can put it to make it more visually beautiful. And then when you press on the next button, the camera will just move, and then you will see another horse. Yeah. And for this now, I only have this now. I was working on the building upgrade, uh, the repair, and right now I think the next implementation for me would be the market, where I will buy horses, and then it would automatically add to my stable. And bear in mind that every save is saved inside the database, so you won't have any save in on your PC. It would be Everything would be online, so there would be no cheating and all these kind of things. That would be much better. And I wanted to make this game look more like a football manager. I mean, when I say football manager, it is for football, but this would be for horse racing. Right now, I would do Mauritian racing track. I would do Champ de Mars and Petit Gamin. And then once I'm done with this will be like the trial and all these kind of things. Once I'm done with all this, the foundation would be already laid, and then I would implement the other track around the world. And also I wanted to do like horse travel, like you would have to pay some fees to travel, to some fees to travel the horse. uh, you would unlock if you win a race, like for example, if you win the Dubai Mile Cup in real life, you unlock the Breeders' Mile Cup in America. So it would be basically like this. So your horse might win a race in a country, and then you would have a free entry in somewhere else. It would I want it to be like much realistic as possible. So for this, I think I'm done for the explanation that I had to I wanted to like explain. um I think I would do like some more devlog video, And yeah, like I think I would do another video like next week. Yeah, next week, Wednesday. And by then I hopefully want to arrive at a point where I can buy the horse, make it in a stable, and then if I can do more to it, I'll just do more. But that would be pretty a big achievement for me if I can do all this by next Wednesday. So stay tuned and like and subscribe, and also don't forget to join the Discord to have some more insight. And also you can join the Patreon for free, and later if you are satisfied with the project then you can choose a tier later, but for now if you can join for free that would help a lot. Yeah, and basically I would make it as realistic as possible. I know right now this does not look as realistic, but I would definitely upgrade this later down the line, so don't worry about that. Uh, yeah, just bear with me a little. There's a lot to do, but I think I can make it happen. So just bear with me on it, and have a nice day and see you by next Wednesday. Bye.